Hi, it seems it's about time for a talk about gold again. Now, recently there's been a big crash. Well, gold is now recovering a bit. Let's see. It's popped back up to 1,189, and what was its low point? Its low point was 1,140, so it's already popped back up about $40 or $50. Now there's a good reason for all this activity, and we've talked before about price manipulation, and this time it's not price manipulation. This time the crash was caused by people selling lots of paper gold. Now, I talked before, but I didn't have the figures on what the difference is between paper gold and physical in the COMEX futures market. And to give you an idea, I found an interesting article on zerohedge.com, which actually gives the figures. Now, $360 billion of paper gold is traded every month, but only 279 million of physical gold is ever moved, and that is a 1,000 to 1 ratio. So that gives you an idea of how little physical gold has to do with the price of gold on COMEX futures, and it's this corrupt COMEX market that is setting the prices, because no difference is recorded between physical gold and real gold. Now, huge orders for paper gold can move the price by $20 in a second, and those orders, naturally enough, are usually never fulfilled, but not always. And many argue that the long-term effect of those orders is neutral, because every position taken must be removed before expiration, but it's actually not true, because the really big players, people like the large banks who are being funded by money printing, can simply hold hundreds of contracts into expiration and deliver the gold amongst each other instead of unwinding the trade. So there's a very few large banks involved in this, and this is how gold price manipulation works. But at the moment, what's happening is different. And here's what's different. People are starting to realize that paper gold is worthless. People are starting to realize that paper gold is really only worth just about the paper that it might be printed on. That's if it's not just purely electronic. So the price, naturally, if you've got lots and lots of people who want to sell paper gold and not many people who want to buy, drops. And that is exactly what has been happening. And paper gold is going out of the market, and the amount of trades on COMEX is reducing. So this is what's distorting the price of the gold just at the moment. The big banks can just sit back and afford not to do anything, except that the price is now bouncing back as the number of paper trades that aren't the big banks is dropping out. So that's why gold has shot down. Gold is in the process of shooting up again. In fact, the gold price over the last few years has been the most unstable it has ever been. And the silver market, people have yet to catch up on, but I would expect a similar thing soon to happen in the silver market, because the position in the silver market is, if anything, worse than in the gold market. So very soon people will realise that their silver paper shares are worthless, and will start selling those hand over fist. You can expect the price of physical silver to go down like a rocket. It'll go well down below, well, it's already well below mine price. It'll go even further down, and then it will suddenly shoot back up again. So this is my prediction for silver. Gold, it's already happened, and I would suggest that the low point at around about the $140 mark is behind us, and we're on a very strongly rising trend at the moment, heading back to the 1250, 1300 mark, and possibly beyond. Well, I hope you found this useful and entertaining and all those good things, and if you have, please like and subscribe, and I'll produce some more videos. Thanks very much.